shit.
He's down. You see him go up? I'm excited, man. Freaking last day. I think he's down. Oh, fucking excited, man. It's a good hit.
Good video. Good video.
He hunched up. It's a good hit.
Did you blow him up?
I think I blew him up.
You blew him up?
I think I got it, man.
Alright.
It's last day. I'm Ontario. It's rapping, man.
Gray Ghost Outfitters, it's on.
Yeah. I think I got him, man. He has me down. He has me down. Oh, man.
We blew it out. It's blown out. He's excited.
I can't freaking see straight. It's
Alright.
awesome, man.
Let me call John.
Call John, man.
Alright, we're heading out on the last day. Davey got a bear last night. We're going to get it. There's Davey. Give us a smile. He's all excited. The bear's so big, we got to trailer our own boat. There's John the guide, ready to go. We'll let you know.
Alright, we've arrived. Let me go check it out, find this sucker. That's where we shot. Beautiful sunrise. Right up there. Alright, let's go see. As you can see, this is some thick stuff, so you definitely want to chase bear at night. John's already going. We're going to go up. Right up there is where it should be. Let's go see. Still heading up.
Oh.
Alright, Dave, you got your bear.
Oh, shit. There he is.
Just let me make sure he's still not kicking.
We'll make sure it's not kicking.
Alright, man. This is awesome.
That's the way to go. Bear in the morning.
Gray Ghost Outfitters.
Gray Ghost Outfitters, baby. That's the way you gotta go.
Oh, man.
Look at that. He comes with Serenity. Oh, let's go see.
Nice one.
I see black.
Man, appreciate that. Oh, yes. Woo. Oh, man.
Holy shit, that's a nice bear.
Oh, yes.
Damn.
We got early enough, man. We got a job out.
Alright.
Look at that.
Get a head on that fucker.
Look at that.
That's sweet. Well,
Awesome.
That was the easy part.
Look at that.
Get down there, Davey.
Oh, man, this is awesome.
Alright.
Head on him. He's nice.
This piece of white there, them fuckers.
Oh, yes.
He didn't go nowhere.
Last
Didn't
day.
go far. It's not bad.
Not over until it's done with. I tell you, man.
Alright.
Awesome.
Let's get some pictures.
Thanks a lot, Chuck. Yeah.
A little more fucking holes in them.
Right up there's the shot. Isn't that a nice place to hunt?
What's the date?
24th it should be.
24th.
Yep.
Putting a tag on it now.
We're tagging it. We're tagging it. It's nice.
Nice feeling. Break out the tag.
Just,
Yep, 24th.
and when you're sitting here waiting,
Shot him at 23rd.
he's sure in bad views to look at. No boats are allowed in this lake except John's. You don't get bothered.
Nice shot across the lake.
98-yard shot. Beautiful. The bear got the trip going. Beautiful surroundings.
Sleep all night. Now I can sleep finally.
Got in the Argo.
All loaded. Driving away with it.